we are going to dirt with pot. Alright, alright. Old school. In the hills of Jamaica. All of you all out there who know the Jamaican journey from in the rural part of Jamaica, we're dirting with pot you all. Get right in, make them see it. We're putting it on the wood fire. Why we do it like this? We're gonna put it on the wood fire. And when it's finished, it will look like the dirt bacon. So it will be easier to clean off when we finish. Okay. So we'll put the pot right there. And if I go, wash off my hand there, girl. Wash off my hand there. Wash off my hand. So family, we have a pot dirt like that. Get in from them. Old school thing, you know. We have a pot dirt like that and you see inside clean. Alright. So we are going to proceed now to catch up a wood fire. You can do it like that, family, if you can. Old school, y'all. Debbie from down a yard. Yeah, man, this is a Jamaican thing. Get right in. Yeah? So we have to stick them like that. And we're going to set them because, as I tell you, you know, rundown need a whole lot of flame, strong flame. Forget it. From that amount of coconut milk to island custard. You go see. So, it's a rigorous process. Takes a lot of time. But in the end, it will be grand. It will be a grand finale at the end of it all. I know all-purpose in this one. Debbie from down here, she's the all-purpose seasoning in this one. You know, see how I'm versatile? Yeah, man. So, back off camera, girl, because we are going to have some flame. And we are going to throw a little gas oil pan with something. We are going to light it with the matches. Yeah, you all? Matches. Yeah? And we're going to put in some of our coconut shell, forget it, blaze up. Yeah? Okay. So we, like how much is out, family, because the breeze from the outside here, it's really strong, y'all. Get right in. Get right in. We'll have a thing like that. Yeah. And if you're liking this video, you know, you can subscribe to the channel. And when you do subscribe, remember to turn on your notification. The breeze out here is very strong, family. So we're having some problems. But we get in touch. We get on top of that, family. Breeze out here, okay. We're there. So we're gonna put in a coconut shell because these blaze real good enough. Yep. Because we want the heat to get into the milk and to get it down to where we want it. So we get in there. Alright? So we're leaving that to catch up from the middle and we're going to put the big ones them now. Hi family. If you know if you cut for make wood fire, comment. Comment below y'all who watching this video and know to catch wood fire. Comment y'all. Yup. So we want it like that. And we're getting it like that. And we want coconut. Hello, please. So we want it, look. Some strong blazing fire. Now gas can't get this in a family. Now no electric stove. So we're gonna put in. Family, if you ever see this, comment below if you ever see this. Yup. Y'all. Debbie from down a yard. That mackerel run down. She had the all-purpose tonight. So y'all, cleaning here. Dirt pot set. Fire! Coconut milk. Yeah man. Run down and point. And we might just leave back this little bit and we can freeze it and we can have it to put in a rice and peas. Stick and stay. Debbie from down a yard. Same way. Your family. Get right in, camera girl. Coconut milk in a pot, boiling, trying to reach a stage of rundown. Rigorous boiling. Get right in. And this is a little, I don't know how much of you all Jamaicans and you know the thing. Alright, fam, look at it, look at it, look at the top of it. Look at the top of it, family. Look at the top. Get right in, make them see. This is the custard thing coming on top. So, family, get right in. This is how you want your coconut milk looking inside of your pot. Let it boil and come up. And this piece of coconut shell that I scraped and put in it is a little, I don't know if it's a little myth or it's a little what from a small child in the country, because when it boils like this, if you leave it and not stirring it, you realize, look at it, leave the camera, let them look at it. It's boiling and it's coming up with the power, that power inside the coconut milk. And then you boil until it come right to the top and come right over. Family, no coal, no gas stove, no electric stove can get this, a straight wood fire thing. So, this piece of coconut helps it not to come further than a certain point, because this is, I don't know, but this is what I always see my mother do from a small child. Leave back a piece of the coconut shell, wash it, scrape it properly on the outside and scrub it, and we leave it in there, and it helps the coconut milk not to come over. There's a little Jamaican, little something, family, so I just want to share it with you. So we have a rundown, the coconut milk there boiling, and it is gonna boil, and it come down to a certain stage, and at that point now we're gonna have a salt mackerel with debone, pick it up, put in with tomato, and have a little herbs in, and you will see how we rundown look. So family, one more shot for the road. Rundown coconut milk in a pot of boil, coming to the stage of rundown, give them a shot, shoot them up, shoot them up. Yeah man.